100 division, this is a 161 division, Central Europe, Poland. My call sign 161 Alpha Zulu 77, 100 division, do you copy?
Yeah, okay, this is 100 division, how do you copy over?
Okay, tell me your call sign, tell me your call sign. This is a 161 Alpha Zulu 77, 161, back to you. Roger, 100 division, this is a 161 division. Tell me your call sign, tell me your call sign. Yes, this is correct, 161 division, Alpha Zulu 77. What is your call sign, your call sign? Okay, I'm waiting for your antenna. This is a 161 division, Central Europe, Poland, 161 division, Central Europe, Poland. Find me on your antenna, find me on your antenna. I copy 5 by 9, 5 by 9. I'm waiting for your call sign. Tell me your call sign, my friend, your call sign. My name is Adrian. This is a 161 Alpha Zulu 77. Tell me your call sign, Roger. Uh, 100 Kilo Papa India something something. Repeat again. This is a 161 Alpha Zulu 77. 161 Alpha Zulu 77, Roger. 102, Roger, your unit number 102. My call sign is 161 Alpha Zulu 77. My name is Adrian, Alpha Delta Romeo India Alpha November City Krakow, Poland, Southern Poland. Back to you. I have many QRM. I read you 5 by 9, 5 by 7 because I have many QRM. My condition is 3-element Yagi, antenna 3-element Yagi and barefoot radio. Barefoot radio and 3-element Yagi. I read you 5 by 7, 5 by 9. What is my report? My report in Korea.
Okay, 5 by 5, 5 by 6, master, over.
Okay, Roger, you have 5 by 9 now. I have only 3-element Yagi. What is your condition? Your condition? Okay, Roger, and tell me again your call sign. I read you better. I read you more better. Tell me your call sign. Okay, 100%. I QSL 100%. I make a short video. I make a short video for YouTube. If not problem for you. Okay, 7351 from Poland to Korea. 73, good day for you from Poland.